Today, we are going to talk about something very special: friendship.
Friendship is one of the most beautiful relationships in life.
Yes, and through this conversation, you can learn English easily, with emotions, slow words, and real feelings.
So sit back, relax, and let's begin our story of friendship.
Emma, do you remember our school days?
Of course, David. How can I forget those days? You were always helping everyone in class.
Smiles. And you were always the one who brought laughter. You made every boring day fun. You know, those small things. Sharing lunch. Walking together after class. That's what real friendship feels like. True. Friendship doesn't need expensive gifts. It just needs care, trust, and time.
Yes, and sometimes, just a smile can say 1,000 words between friends.
But, Emma, as time passed, we all got busy.
Yes, after school, everyone went to different cities. We started new lives.
Sometimes I miss those old days so much.
Me too. I used to open old photos and remember our group.
Did you ever feel lonely?
Yes, many times. Even though I had people around me, I missed that true connection we had.
That's what friendship gives. A safe place where you can just be yourself.
Do you remember when we met again after 5 years?
Oh yes. That small cafe near the park.
Laughs. You were late as usual.
Laughs. Some things never change. But when I saw you, it felt like time stopped.
I felt the same. Even after years, the bond was still there, warm and real.
That's the beauty of true friendship. Even if we don't talk every day, we still understand each other.
David, can I share something emotional?
Of course, Emma. Go ahead.
A few years ago, I was going through a very hard time. Everything felt dark.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, I didn't tell anyone. But one day, I got your message. Hey, just checking on you. That simple message changed my day.
Softly, I just felt something was wrong. Real friends can feel it even without words.
That's what makes friendship powerful. It gives us hope, care, and reason to smile again.
You know, Emma, friendship is not just about being together in happy times.
True. It's also about staying when things are not okay.
Exactly. Friendship teaches us patience, kindness, and understanding.
And also forgiveness. Sometimes we hurt each other without meaning to, but true friends forgive.
I agree. Friendship is like a small plant. It needs care, time, and love to grow.
Do you remember when we used to talk about our dreams?
Of course. You wanted to travel the world, and I wanted to open a small cafe.
Smiles. And now you have that cafe.
Yes, and I named it the Friendship Corner.
That's so beautiful. You made your dream come true.
And you've traveled to so many places.
Yes, but wherever I go, I realize friendship is the same everywhere. Different faces, but the same feelings.
Sometimes I think, in life we meet many people, but only a few stay forever.
Yes, those few are our real friends. They become our family.
Friendship is not measured by time, but by the heart.
That's so true. Even if a friend lives far away, their care stays close to our heart.
You know what? I believe that every person should have at least one true friend in life.
Because a true friend makes life easier, brighter, and more meaningful.
You know, Emma, I realized something. It's the small things that build a big friendship.
Like what?
Like remembering birthdays, checking on each other, Saying I'm proud of you.
Oh yes. Or saying, don't worry, everything will be fine.
Exactly. Those small words become big memories.
Friendship is not about doing something big once. It's about doing small things always.
To everyone watching, take care of your friends.
Don't wait for special days to say how much they mean to you.
A simple message, a small call, can make someone's day.
And remember, learning English is like friendship. You grow step by step, with patience and practice.
So keep learning, keep feeling, and keep smiling.
And never forget your friends.
Emma, thank you for being my friend, not just in this conversation, but in life.
Smiles warmly. Thank you, David. True friendship never ends.
Turns to camera and to everyone watching. May you all find and keep such beautiful friendships.
Keep learning English with heart, because when you learn with emotion, you never forget.
See you in the next video, with more stories, more English, and more love.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.